Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I'm fitting another modification to my M135i, and this time it is this little guy. It is a clutch stop and I ordered it from ML Performance. These guys were absolutely fantastic. Delivery came instantly. They have large stock of different parts to many different cars, so please go check the website. You might find something very useful there in very good prices. And this is actually a quite universal product. You can use it in multiple cars. Basically, if you have a manual, if you have BMW, if you have Volkswagen, Audi, I think it will fit all of them. So go and check the website if you're looking for one. Now, what clutch stop does is basically reducing the travel of your clutch. So in theory, you can actually change your gears quicker. That's because normally you depress your clutch and then you change your gear. In theory, if your clutch stops higher, then you change your gear quicker. Therefore, in theory, it should help. Also, I think it just changes the feel of the car, and that's probably making a massive difference as well. It is also adjustable, so I'm not sure if you can see, it actually has a couple of rings on it and you can actually take them off, so you can make it feel different depending on how do you want it to feel, depending where your clutch actually starts catching. You just have to adjust it to your car. So let's fit this one in and I'll see how it feels. I'm going to start with 2 rings, and if that's too much to start with, I'm gonna reduce it to 1. I hope this will make my clutch feel much better and it will improve a driving experience. So let's jump to installation now and then we go for a drive. So as you can see, the clutch stop is just right there, and basically it just stops your pedal from going any further. And the idea is that if you replace this little clutch stop with this bigger one from BMS, that will obviously stop your clutch much earlier, and then it will reduce the travel in a dead space, so the last inch or two. So I'm going to now try to replace it, and I'm going to adjust it. I think I just need 1 or 2 rings, but we'll find out in a moment. So to take it out, you just basically push it with your finger from behind and it should come out really easily. As you can see, the difference is massive. So I'm going to try to fit it in with 1 ring, which is a significant difference anyway, and see how it works. Let's try to push it in. It is going in, but it's not easy, I can tell you that. It needs some force to actually go in, and just have to move it a bit. But it's definitely going in. I'm almost there. And it's in. So as you can see now, this is a new clutch stop fitted. So as it worked with 1, I'm going to try to put another disc on. Right, let's try it again. Clutch stop with 2 rings is now in place. I'm going to try to start the engine and see how it works. Right, so let's press the clutch. Start button, and it worked fine. So it looks like it's working absolutely fine even with 2, and that second one is actually making a big difference as well. clutch stop, it's an absolute pleasure. Honestly, I can't recommend it more. For £28 with delivery, this is an absolute bargain. So, to summarize the clutch stop, I think it's an absolutely must-have for manual cars. I used it now for 3 weeks, lots of town driving where it actually helps a lot. You don't have to push your clutch so far, so it just makes everyday driving easier. And on the drives like today, I'm in Wales, we are constantly changing gears, second, third, fourth, and to be honest, it feels like a dream. It just makes your manual feel better. So for 20 couple of pounds, you can't go wrong with that, believe me. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video likes. That really helps me. And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.